Welcome back to my channel. In this video, we will be learning advanced English vocabulary words with meanings and sentences. Ephemeral. Ephemeral. The fun of blowing bubbles is ephemeral. The appearance of rainbow after rain is ephemeral. Quixotic. Quixotic. The idea of traveling to Mars seemed quixotic. His quixotic dream was to build a utopian society. Lethargic. Lethargic. After a long day of work, I felt lethargic. The hot weather made me feel lethargic. Mellifluous. Mellifluous. The singer's mellifluous voice captivated the audience. The sound of the flowing river was mellifluous. Resilient. Resilient. She faced a lot of troubles but remains resilient on her goals. He showed resilient spirit after a worse disease. Resplendent. Resplendent. The bride looked resplendent in her sparkling wedding gown. The fields were resplendent with flowers. Effervescent. Effervescent. Young people are naturally effervescent. He is an effervescent student of his class. Serendipity. Serendipity. I had a serendipitous encounter with an old friend at grocery store. I felt serendipity when I got A+ grades. Tranquil. Tranquil. She stared at the tranquil surface of the water. He thinks real life is tranquil. Blissful. Blissful. They spent a blissful week together. The summer passed blissfully.